Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove object from video in CapCut Mobile. So here I have a video on my CapCut and I want to remove these objects right here on the whiteboard. So what you need to do is first copy the clip like this and make one of the video as overlay. So I'm going to select the second one and click on overlay button. Now drag it to the bottom until the video align like this. And after that, click on the overlay and use the mask feature. This one. So I'm going to use the rectangle one, and let's drag the rectangle one to the whiteboard without the object that I want to remove. Let's like this. Okay, and after that, just click on the check icon. So now click on the masking, click on the overlay video and drag the video like this until the object that I want to remove is covered like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.